Hey guys, it's Davin here at brewbits.com. Now we're in the middle of filming us making a hazy IPA by Mangrove Jack's Beer Kit. But I thought, because I found out I am a little bit gluten intolerant and it makes a few little blubs down here going off. So I've been using this stuff recently, which is Glut Gone. And Glut Gone is a way of reducing the gluten in your beer to less than 20 parts per million, which according to government guidelines, that is effectively classified or could be classified as gluten-free. Now, to be truly gluten-free, it has to be made with gluten-free ingredients, but of course this has got wheat and barley in, so that's not going to be truly gluten-free. So what we can do is we can add a phial of this, and this will reduce the gluten down to less than 20 parts per million, which in most cases will be classified suitable for most celiacs. But of course, we're not going to be testing this, so we have to take their word for it. You can send a sample away of your beer after you've made it with the Glut Gone for checking, if you so wish to do so, to make sure it's going to be suitable for you. But there we go. It's just a little phial, and all we do is pop it open, we pour it in it goes like that, and then we give it a really good stir. So what's in that phial? In that phial are some enzymes, and those enzymes are going to break down the gluten, and means that it's literally going to disappear. Whether it precipitates out or whether the yeast eat it, I'm not totally too sure. But it means once this beer is finished fermenting, it will be less than 20 parts per million of gluten. Right, so that is as simple and easy as that. You get 3 of these phials in your Glut Gone, so that does up to 23 litres of beer per phial. So you've got 3 lots there to do that with. So check it out on the website, Glut Gone by Harris. It's just a little easy little pot like this. Yeah, have a read, and if you're gluten intolerant, then this could be your shot at drinking gluten-free beer and enjoying really nice tasty beer, and it doesn't really have any effect on the taste or the quality of the beer or what it tastes like or what it feels like or anything like that. So there you go. Harris Glut Gone.